Hey, Caillou. Guess what?
No, I am grounded.
No, Caillou, you are not grounded, silly goose. Today is the 4th of July. And we are going to go to the park and see the fireworks at 7:30 this evening.
Oh my god! Yes! 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 It is actually the 4th of July, also known as Independence Day. And I cannot wait to see the fireworks at the park tonight.
At 7:30 p.m.
God damn it! Why do I have to sit next to Rosie on the bench? Rosie is so annoying and stupid.
Deal with it, you stupid moron.
Shut your god damn mouth before I throw your ginger ass to the fireworks.
Okay. Jeez.
Caillou. Sit down and stop fighting with Rosie.
Yeah. And what the hell are you doing with Rosie?
I'm not listening to you guys.
Caillou. What are you doing?
Close your eyes and you will see. Okay, now that her eyes are closed, I'm going to throw her ginger ass to the fireworks.
Oh my god, mommy, daddy, help me, I'm going to die.
No. No, our precious daughter is gone forever. Wah.
Wah. She was the only child we loved.
Caillou. Get your ass over here, right now. Oh. G-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R. Oh my. Freaking God. Caillou. How freaking dare you push Rosie into the fireworks and get her killed? And now she is gone forever. Thanks to you.
That's it. You are grounded for life.
And since you have gone way too far this time, we will send you to North Korea by using Plotagon logic.
No, please don't send me to North Korea. I'm so sorry, Daddy. Please forgive me.
Sorry, ain't gonna cut it. And I'm sending your bald ass to North Korea, and that's final. And I have one last word to say to you before your ass goes. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Forever, Caillou. And now, Plotagon logic, activate.
Wow. I can't believe I'm now stuck in North Korea forever.